Here's a great idea for a raspberry and white chocolate ice cream. Now, usually the base of an ice cream contains lots of cream, but I'm changing it up today by using a little bit of cream and lots of cottage cheese. Cottage cheese makes a great ice cream. It's really light and it's also high in protein. It's a great sandwich spread, but like I said, also works really well in an ice cream just like this. So it's a homemade ice cream. You don't need an ice cream machine whatsoever. We're just going to place our cottage cheese into a food processor, and you'll need about 400 grams, so 2 tubs of this cottage cheese can go in. And just to bind it together, I use a little bit of thickened cream. So we need just about 1/4 cup. So in that goes. To sweeten this up, I'll add some maple syrup, 1 punnet of fresh raspberries, and I'll blend this until it's smooth. Okay, that's combined nicely, so I'll place this into a bowl, and I like this ice cream to have some different types of texture. And now, to give it a bit of a sort of a cheesecake feel, some bickies. So I've just crushed some Digestive bickies. They can go in, and the white chocolate. So I like this to be quite chunky, and then we'll just fold all of that together. Look at those colours, you know this is going to be delicious. Then I'll just place it into a container, cover it with some cling film and then the lid, and then it goes into the freezer for at least 4 hours or until it's completely frozen. Now, this is not your average scoopable ice cream. In fact, this is how it is. It's served in big bite-sized pieces like this. I love it because you get the really lovely crunch from the bickies that we've added and that pop of sweetness from the white chocolate. And then what's the best part? Well, it's when it slowly melts in your mouth and you've got that lovely creamy tartness of that cottage cheese. It's like a little snack that keeps on giving. A little mint to garnish, and that's my frozen cottage cheese bites. Ice cream with a bit of a twist, and it's a pretty good twist.